Okay, so we're now going to make an origami paper crane. First, we take our crane featured paper, and with the printed side facing up, we're going to fold the paper in half diagonally so that we create a triangle, and then we unfold it, and we do the same for the other corner. So fold it in half, crease it, and then open it back up. Next, we're going to turn it on the other side, and then we're going to fold it in half vertically and horizontally, so upwards like this, and then we're going to crease it again left to right, like that, and we're going to open it back up. Next, we're going to turn our paper so that it's at a 45-degree placement, and then we've got our A, B, C, and D in these corners shown here. Next, we're going to take our A and C corners and we're going to bring down to corner D. So we take these two edges and we bring them down, and you will find that the paper will fold in on itself so that it turns into a square. Okay, next we're going to fold these edges into the middle line along the dotted line that you see here. So we're going to fold the left edge to the middle, like this, and we're going to fold the right edge to the middle. We're going to take the top flap and we're going to fold it down over the two flaps we just made, and we're going to crease it, and crease it very well. We're going to unfold that, and we're going to unfold these. The next step, we're going to open the top flap, so we take the top piece of the paper and we open it up and fold it in half upwards where we made that line. Next, we're going to take the sides and we're going to push them inwards so that you get a diamond shape. So next we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So flip it over and we do the same thing. So fold in the side edges to the middle, crease it well, and then we fold down the top triangle, crease it, and bring it back up. Open these two sides, taking the top flap of the paper, open it at the line where we creased it, and then push in the edges so that we get a diamond shape. Okay. Next, we're going to take these edges and fold them into the middle along the dotted line here. So we're going to take the left edge and fold it to the middle. And you'll see the swan's face or the crane's face is facing outwards already. And then here's the tail. So we're folding it inwards. And then we do the same for the other side. So flip it over, and then we fold in the edges. So there's the other half of the tail and the other half of the head of the crane. Make sure the beak is nice and pointy. Okay, next we're going to fold and crease along the two printed dotted lines here and here. We're going to fold it upwards like this and crease it very well. Crease that very well. And you can also fold it to the back to crease it really, really well so that it's creased on both sides. Next we're going to do an inside reverse fold, and what that means is we're going to open up the inside flap, and then we're going to push our crane's head upwards like this, and we're going to fold it in half, and then down here where we creased it we're going to push and fold so that we have a nice upwards point that's on the inside. So we do the same for the other tail. So we open up the inside and we push upwards and fold down where we made the crease earlier and fold that in half. We're going to flip it back this way. So now we have the tail, we have the head, and we have the wings. So we're going to bring down the wings like this, one, and on the other side, two. So we have two of the crane's wings. Next we're going to inside reverse so that the head can be formed. So along here you'll find a dotted line. So we're going to inside reverse fold, which means we're going to open up the middle and we're going to follow the lines and push the head inwards. And you will see that it automatically kind of follows the line. We're going to press it down so the head is sticking out. And then our crane is done. And then what you can do to make it more nice is you can pull on the wings a little bit and the back will pop out kind of in a balloon sort of shape, square shape, so it's a little bit puffy. And then our crane is finished.